Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I know I have been gone for way too long, and actually it was a surprise to me more than probably anybody else, but I gave birth about, I think it was like 10 days before my expected due date. So I ended up in the hospital. We didn't even have all the stuff for the baby because we were going to go shopping the following week, and it just became a really chaotic, you know, getting situated again, having all my kids at home with me, and you know, it was right after Christmas. New Year's came and went. It's just a lot has happened. But yeah, so I had my third child, my son, and I don't think he's gonna wake up while I'm recording this, so I'll just kind of insert a picture. I might have already did it depending on how I edit this video. So I'm going to be using the Karity palettes. So without further ado, we're going to get this video started. So we're going to go ahead and put some tape. So using the matte palette, I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here, and this is Luxuria. I'm going to go in with one of my multitask eye brushes from Real Techniques. Get that all over. Go ahead and I'm just using this to set down the soft ochre and to give a good base to add other colors on so that it blends nicely. And I'm going to go on with the color Tweety right here. And I'm going to use the same brush. And then I'm just going to go from the outer corner. And then bring it down in the inner corner. Go back out. And I'm going to go in with the color right here, which is Coquette. I'm using the same brush. And we're going to go ahead and use the color right here, Vegas. So recently, if I'm trying to speed up the process, I like to use the same blending brush to kind of blend the colors as I'm going, but it has to go from light to dark, because going from dark to light just wouldn't really work. I did the yellow color, and then I went in with a peach color, and now I'm going with this orange color. then each color that I go, I'm going down a little bit more. I'm blending it into where it's like right under where it started to do, you know, an ombre effect. I'm gonna get a nice transition going on, and then I just make sure to build up the color as I go down. So then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. This is in the color Sand. And I'm going to use just any synthetic concealer brush to apply this on my eyelid. So what I like to do is kind of put a lot on the bottom. I'm not going to take it all the way to the end, but like 2/3 of the way. 2/3, 3/4. Just open my eye and look, make sure I look up, and that'll give me a guideline as to how far to take this concealer. So now I'm going to take the color Caress up here, and I'm just going to use just any shading brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over the concealer. I actually use a more fluffy brush. So I'm going to go in with a Dome Shadow brush. This is not doing what I want it to do. There we go. And I'm just putting this all over the concealer, and this is just gonna, one, it's gonna I want this white color to pop out. Two, I really I want it to set the concealer. You know what? I'm gonna take that shading brush again, and I'm gonna go in with the color Coquette, and I'm gonna start to darken the edges here. So this is just gonna be a partial cut crease. I'm gonna start to build up the color at the end, and I just kind of flick it and make sure I'm blending the concealer, making sure I'm blending the white and then the darker color of Coquette together. I'm going to take Vegas, just at the outer edge. Now just taking a clean Dome Shadow brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend just a little bit. It's not too crazy. So now it's time for the fun part. My co-workers at my job, one of them, she got me this, it's a Too Faced, it's like the glitter, I don't even know what it is right now. Too Faced Glamour Dust. So it came in different colors. This is the holiday collection. And then I have this one in gold, and then it has white, like a red color, and then a black. I'm gonna use the gold one. And so the first glitter glue I found was the NYX glitter primer. So that's the one I'm going to use today. Just going to go ahead and apply that, and I'm going to use this accent brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that right there. And I'm not taking this all the way to the end. I just want it to be in the inner till right about there. Okay. Then I'm going to take a similar brush. This is the fine liner brush. And I'm going to go ahead and just douse that as much as I can to pick up as much glitter. And just go ahead and just press it into the glitter. So after I remove the tape, I'm going to go in with the color Coquette again and using a shading brush. I'm going to go ahead and line underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to take the shade Vegas and going more on the outer corners. Starting in the outer corner and then kind of dragging some of the color back towards the beginning. And smoke that out. Then using my Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal eyeliner. Go ahead and line change of plans. So inside of one of my makeup boxes that I get, I'm not sure which one it is. I know it's, I gotta figure out what it is, but I got this blue, it's an electric blue eyeliner pencil from Jante Bleu. So I got this and I'm gonna go ahead and use this to line my waterline. So this is why I can't do this. Nope. Alright, so I'm going to finish my eyeliner, eyelashes, and lipstick off camera, and then I'll be back. So I was initially going to put the lashes on offline too, but I'm opening up another, I'm opening up a new Real Charm Lashes pair of lashes. And the last one I used is Bora Bora, and I kept using it. So this one is in the style Hollywood. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut this down to my eye length, and then I'm going to apply it just so you guys can see how it looks. It's going to be just as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. So I don't know if you guys can actually see now that I wanted to like show you guys while I was applying it so you can see how dramatic these lashes are. There is nothing conservative about these lashes. Like if I want to wear it during the day and I put these on, I have to know that they're gonna just be out there. So this is the completed look. The lips, I just lined it with lip liner, NYX Pink Lip Liner, and then I put the NARS Orgasm Lip Gloss on it. The lashes, like I said, they're from Real Charm Lashes, and they're in the style Hollywood. All the little makeup details are going to be down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not done so yet, and join my Ohana, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.